Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you exactly how to download and install TeamViewer on your computer. Let's get started. First thing first, open your browser and go to teamviewer.com/download. This is the official TeamViewer website. Always download from here to stay safe. On the download page, look for TeamViewer Full Client. Click the download button next to it. Your download will begin automatically. Now, once your download finishes, go to your Downloads folder. On Windows, find and open TeamViewer setup.exe. Now, when the security warning appears, click Run and make sure the publisher says TeamViewer Germany GmbH. Choose Default Installation and click Accept, then Next. Read and accept the license agreement, then click Continue to finish installing. The installation should only take a minute. And that's it. When you're done, all you have to do is open the TeamViewer from the icon that will appear on your desktop and enjoy the multitasking with remote clients on your desktop. Now you're ready to start remote sessions and help others or get help right from your computer. If this tutorial helped, step-by-step YouTube, give it a like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.